Our customers have told us that there are 4 major challenges commonly associated with e-discovery. Challenge 1, the high cost of e-discovery, costs that are continuing to rise. Challenge 2, the enormous amount of time e-discovery consumes. Challenge 3, increased risk of penalties and adverse judgments stemming from e-discovery errors. And Challenge 4, the intimidating complexity of e-discovery technology. The answer to these challenges? Westlaw Case Logistics. This next-generation document review and production platform reduces cost, time, and risk, and is easy to use. It starts with a familiar, intuitive screen layout that makes it fast and easy to find and work with the material you need. The folder structure of the organizational panel, for example, gives you an automatic, intelligent way to organize and prioritize documents in real time by author, custodian, or any other important criteria. List View lets you sort documents with the touch of a column header. Graphically organize documents by parents and children with the touch of a button. And group documents by author, subject, or any other common criterion. And configurable coding panels let you add, tag, and annotate documents with fewer clicks for any case. Westlaw Case Logistics offers you the flexibility to view documents in 3 different ways. Image View, great for images of paper files such as PDF files. Near Native, for obscure document types and search term highlighting that lets you focus on predetermined keywords. And Native, which most accurately shows you the formulas, formatting of a document the last time it was saved, and comments embedded within the document. Westlaw Case Logistics offers you battle-tested security at the folder level, field level, and document level. It can even restrict functions such as printing and moving documents to folders, so you can easily restrict data viewing and handling to those authorized. Westlaw Case Logistics is fully Unicode capable, letting you view foreign language documents, display foreign language characters, and search Unicode characters. Finally, Westlaw Case Logistics offers you the scalability to efficiently handle discovery ranging from a few boxes to millions and millions of documents in computer databases. Discover how Westlaw Case Logistics can cut the cost of e-discovery, free staff for more impactful legal work by presenting a simple, intuitive tool, and reduce the risk of penalties or adverse judgments because you missed key evidence when difficult-to-use products did not show you data in complete native form. For more information or to schedule a demo of Westlaw Case Logistics in your office, contact your Westlaw representative or visit our website.